Christian, is the auto trader for BLW a total failure? What's going on with it? In this specific video, I'm going to explain you what it is, how to use it, and more importantly, what's coming up next week for the BLW Auto Trader. Hi everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube, and welcome to a brand new video for the channel. In today's video, I want you to actually see what is it that comes along with the brand new BLW Auto Trader. What are the negative stuff that we've been seeing with the current Auto Trader and so on. And more importantly, I want you to really understand how to use it, because otherwise you're not gonna be able to make money with it. So stick for this video. Hey, if you're new to my channel and you're into binary options, Forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, then this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you get a notification for every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's jump into the video. If you're not familiar with what is the BLW Auto Trader, I'm gonna have the link in the description as blwautotrader.com, and it's basically this website that you're looking at right now. It is an automated Forex robot that I created for MetaTrader 4. Basically what it does is that it places trades on your behalf. It will automatically trade for you on an MT4 platform in every place of the world. It is accepted worldwide. You can close and open trades manually. You can see the testimonials and you can fully understand what is this auto trader on the website that I just gave you. I do recommend you to watch this video where I explain you a lot more details in regards to it, but this is what the auto trader is all about. So if you want to read about it, go ahead and go into the link in the description of this video. So hey, there's been a lot of comments in regards to this specific auto trader. Many of you were begging me to make a new video in regards to it. Honestly, I don't really find it completely necessary to make a new video constantly in regards to the auto trader, because this is not a sales video. It's more like it will do basically everything for you. So what you need to do is just stick to, I don't know, to the tutorials that I give you, and more importantly, join my Telegram channel that is in the description, 100% free, where I tell you when to close and open certain trades, or when to close trades more than anything. But I wanted to make this video because there is a brand new upgrade coming up next Monday, March, what is it going to be? Hold on, March the 22nd is going to be when this new upgrade is going to take place. And I wanted to actually tell you up front what is it that is going to be included. But before I actually jump into it, let me tell you how this auto trader works at this specific moment. This is an expert advisor that I connected to the MT4 platform. And basically what it does at this specific moment is to provide you, or to actually find trading opportunities based on change on trendings. And as you can see right here, the take profit and the stop loss, it's a 5.0 risk reward ratio. What this tells me is that with this win ratio, as long as I win one position out of 5, I actually break even. And if I win 2 positions out of, let's say, 6, 7, 8, or even 9 trades, I'm profitable. And that will give me around a 10 or like a 15 to 20% accuracy in my trades. Does that make sense? Now, this is freaking a lot of people out. Many of you have been wondering, hey, this auto trader doesn't work because I lost 3 positions in a row. Even though the positions that you actually lose are not even for 2% of your balance, but sometimes for 1 or even less 0.5% of your balance, because it closes automatically when it finds that it's not going to continue in that direction, and it places a new trade. So basically the robot is super smart when it comes to identifying the trends, and more importantly, in about making you profit regardless of the accuracy of the signals. So what we're aiming with this specific robot is to win one position out of 4, and we're good to go. We're in profit. But there are certain occasions, like for the beta testers, they actually realize that at the moment they won 4 or 3 positions in a row. Their account grew amazingly, like 10-20% increase in one day, and so on. Now, there are days like that. Obviously, there are some cool days, and there are some days where the robot is just not respecting the strategy. I mean, the strategy is not working, the market goes crazy, and so on. Especially when it comes to Bitcoin dependency, which is all the global currencies right now dependent on Bitcoin, right? So many of you probably don't fully accept the way the robot works at this moment, or the way I created the robot for you guys, which is completely understandable. Don't get me wrong, it's not bad at all. But I think there is a moment right now when we need to change some stuff. We can continue with this robot and it will be profitable, okay? But some of you, because of your emotions, kind of freak out when you see 2 or 3 losing trades in a row. And this comes along with an explanation that I did a few videos back, when I told you that swing traders usually have a lot less emotions than day traders, okay? Day trading has a lot of emotions involved, and swing trading has very few emotions involved. Therefore, I decided to make a change. And I'm actually testing right now in another of my live accounts, the brand new Auto Trader, which is this one right here. But this time there will be 3 Auto Traders starting off on Monday, 1 for AUD USD, 1 for Euro USD, and 1 for USD CAD. Now, you will be able to download the 3 of them over there on the website, but and the activation code is going to be exactly the same for the 3 robots, so you can activate the 3 of them, but you will need to install the Auto Trader, it's specifically on the the pair that I'm telling you. So Euro USD robot goes to Euro USD, AUD USD to AUD USD, and USD CAD to a USD CAD, okay? If you actually mess up with that, you're gonna lose money, that's for sure. The reason why I'm actually did this is because every single pair has a different pip calculation, okay? 10 pips on Euro USD is not the same as on AUD USD, and 20 pips on USD CAD is not the same on Euro USD, okay? So what I did is that I created the 3 robots based on the best features and the best algorithm for each specific pair. Okay, it took me a lot of work, that's for sure, but I think it's gonna be way better for you guys, because at the end of the day, what you're looking for is to make money, and this will make you money. That's the first change. There will be a robot for each specific pair. Number 2 thing that is going to change is that it's not going to be longer 1-hour candles. It's just going to be it's not going to be longer 15-minute candles. It's now going to be 1-hour candles, okay? This means there are going to be less trades. That's for sure. There are going to be less trades. Nevertheless, the profit expectancy will be a lot higher. We are looking forward to make at least 4.0 on risk reward ratio, or 3.0 on some pairs. There's going to be a trailing stop different on every single pair, and there are going to be less trades. For this Auto Trader, I do recommend you to get a VPS service. Why? Because since it's going to be 1-hour candle, you don't necessarily need to be looking at the chart all the time. As a matter of fact, you're going to get bored at looking at the chart, because this trade, for instance, the Euro USD was placed, I think, on Monday or something like that, and it's still giving me around would say what, like 2% profit at the moment. Right now already moved the trailing stop and so on, so it's gonna take longer, but it's gonna be play way less with your emotions, okay? So look, the fact that I'm upgrading the Auto Trader all the time basically is because I want you to feel comfortable with it. It's not the same when you purchase an auto trader out there and you simply just look at the bad results all the time and so on, and you're not sure really if you get support or if people care about your money. But this time you're actually dealing with me, and yes, I care about your money, I care about your emotions and about your education as well. So this auto trader will basically make you money every single month, and it will place very few trades, but there are gonna be a lot more winner trades. And more importantly, you will not be affected by your emotions. You can dedicate your time to learn something else, do something else, trade with something else, and so on. And this auto trader will basically do the work for you, okay? Not that the previous one was not working, but I know that you're expecting for faster results, and I completely understand that, and I wanna help you with that, okay? So with that being said, hopefully you enjoyed this new version. This new version is gonna be on Sunday, uploaded on the BLW Auto Trader website. On your members area, I'm going to send you an email reminding you, and you can just log in and download these new 3 versions. The previous version will no longer be available. I think it will be available, but it's only if you want to continue using it. If you want to, you can continue using it. That's not a problem. I'm going to continue using it, and I'm also going to be using this new version as well. So hey, hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video, and more importantly, remember that there is no magic trick to be rich or something like that. It's not like I'm gonna purchase an auto trader and then I'm just gonna become a millionaire. It doesn't work like that. There's always gonna be risks, and the drawdown is the risk on an auto trader for Forex. So the drawdown right now on the previous auto trader, or on the one that you are currently having at the moment I'm recording this video, it's for like 10 or 12%, which is completely okay. But with this one, I expect it to be less than that. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and do a small back test so that you can see AUD USD. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and click on start, and we're gonna look at what are going to be the movements of this specific pair. I think it's loading or something. Okay, there you go. So this is the way it's going to be doing. Yes, we're gonna lose a couple of trades, and what we are looking for is that whenever there's a change on trending, there's always going to be a change on the trade as well. So the trade is going to identify, hey, probably is not going to continue going in the direction that I wanted, so therefore we're going to change the trade. As you can see, we have trailing stops as well, so that we can make as much profit as possible, and more importantly, we have fast caught in losses. You're not going to see those huge stop loss or anything like that. Instead, what you're going to be looking for, what you're going to be looking at is a very small stop loss in here, such as this is a take profit, and so on. So let's just go ahead and let the robot finish. This is what you're gonna be looking at, okay? Way less emotions involved in this specific new auto trader, which is actually what we're looking for, right? So if you go to the report, we made a total of $300 in profit, which is really not that great, but that's why we're gonna have the Telegram channel so that you can actually choose a different close price, right? And the drawdown, the maximum was 7.48%, which is really cool. Less trades, more profits. It's gonna be exactly the same with Euro USD right here. And we're gonna choose Euro USD because everything has to go with its own pair. And there you go. This is what's going on with the auto trader. This one does have trailing stop. AUD USD doesn't. We tested it many times and we realized that it wasn't really worth it. Take a look. The trailing stop is super like accurate, and there you go. And if we take a look at it, it says $66, but again, there are a few trades that we could have closed a lot higher, such as this one, for instance. And I think I saw a sell position. This one right here, we could have closed it up until this area. It would make a lot of more money, and so on. And what's the actual drawdown? The maximum is 7.17. So again, what I'm looking for with this upgrade is that you actually have a minimum drawdown so that you don't actually freak out by looking at those specific charts. So hopefully you fully understand what is it that I'm actually targeting with this specific new auto trader, and you're part of it. So hey, if you enjoyed the content of this video, smash the like button, and more importantly, if you have any questions or comments to share, you can leave them in the comment section below. I'll be glad to take a look at them as soon as I can. And more importantly, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you want to see more videos just like this one, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.